everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and in today's video we are putting in a bin, a big bin. I think it's a 16-ton split bin, so it is going to be a big bin. They're coming in half an hour, hour-ish, so we have to move the plough, move a lot of that machinery, take away the dirt and power wash off the base, leave it ready for them to stand it up. That's the story, that's the plan. We've got a bin coming. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hey, leave a like under the video, leave a comment down below, ring the bell so you get notified of the videos. All helps push the videos along. Also, just brand the 6270, show you these mud guards in daylight. Look at that, look at that. Brightens up that tractor no end, so it does no end at all. Anyways, Father Phil's here at 435, so I go get the telly and we'll start shifting some of this stuff around. So, the bin is just after arriving. I was putting in the last hay feeder. So, it's one big ass bin. 16-ton split bin, isn't it? Yeah. With the doors on it and everything.
Good job.
Yeah. So it's a grand spec job, so it is. That's why it's painted. Because for the grand spec it had to be painted. And we have our base is 40 Newton meter.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So all washed up, tidied, ready to go. Does look some job now. Then the engine on the trailer. Fuel your trailer with the two
steering axles, which is good anyway.
So that's to get it lined up.
No, but that's to get into a really narrow yard.
Oh.
That axle is really turning in the middle of that trailer.
Yeah.
And then the back axle, when you watch him now when he goes to work.
It's a fine rig, that whole. We're going to change the look of the yard now.
Yeah.
Big bin in it. Fair bit of work on putting that all together.
It's just a big spiral.
Yeah. Oh, it's just a spiral of sheet. That's all.
Yeah.
Oh.
That bin is made out of that section, that spiral strip.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
And then they just wind around the hand.
Any length of work.
Oh. And then weld it.
It's all crimped.
It's all crimped together.
Crimped and creased. And then you chop it off of whatever length you want.
We want it, yeah.
Just the blank spec bin has to be painted.
Yeah. But for the painted bin,
it's because it's an extra coating on it.
Yeah, it's going to keep that a bit longer, and it does look like the painted bin does look quite nice, to be honest.
It's either blue or green now, so.
Blue would be a bit of an odd colour in the yard.
Well, the blue is open water, the green.
Yeah. That's the thumbnail right there. It is high. So I'm going to have to watch the drone now when I'm flying around the yard.
Yeah.
Do a Tom Pemberton on it and crash into it.
The yard dynamics has changed now.
Yeah.
Now you can do this two ways. You can have the auger sticking out there.
No.
Drive by.
Auger that way, because if the auger is this side, it'll get taken off it.
In the future.
Yeah. Auger that way, it means you have to back into it. It means you've no other business being in there.
Yeah, that's a high bin.
That is a high bin. The boom of the teleporter wouldn't even lift that high.
Oh, no.
Must be near the height of the lights and the pole down there.
Higher, I'd say.
3 minutes now, popping that up like that. Yeah. When you're standing from here now, this is super view camera, you can't see the top of it. What's the...
different baggage strip, that's all.
Oh, so there's an offset one and two straight down.
Yeah.
And the offset is on the... for the auger. Yeah. Those look quite cool with the base on it compared to just freestanding.
On a hand there now.
This is a holy terror how you can move it while I lock it with pry bars. Ton and a half is what the bin is. It's big, isn't it?
Yeah, isn't it?
It's massive. What do you think?
Looks good.
Doesn't it? Got our wheelbarrow too.
I love those wheelbarrows. You're not going to fit it from there though, are you? You're going to put a ramp on it.
Where's the...
I think it'd be alright to square up at that now. Just let it come slightly forward.
Yeah.
The auger will be coming slightly forward at that.
Oh, you want to keep a bit of a pressure on?
Well, it doesn't.
Well, it just let's leave it. It won't have to be.
So you don't want to take back in.
Aye, that's what I idea is to park in there.
Maybe turn around another bit, square it up.
Another bit.
Yeah.
The way it's going now.
Aye.
Yeah.
Just
Square it up a
square
bit.
up on it then. Oh, yeah, that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it's too bad at that.
Maybe bring the whole bin over a bit and then you're.
Aye, that way, isn't it?
Maybe
Forward a bit. Do you want to keep it centered from front to back, or do you want to leave it back?
It will be back a little bit, but leave a better step at the front.
Ah, yes, I'm just thinking.
Aye, just a bit now.
Back in a little bit.
Yeah.
Sure, we can always get a bit of concrete poured.
Make another step down there.
Yeah, well, if we put a ramp on it that you get a wheelbarrow up to it to bring calf nuts round to the calves.
Aye, you could do that on one side.
Yeah. Because you'd have some job lifting it up. Well, I suppose you could lift it up, but it'd be...
See the new barrow you got?
Yeah. I like them barrows, they're good.
No. The boss approves, that's our stock money. It'd be good for feeding the calves too now.
Yeah.
Fella with meal now, that's the deer part.
They put that up there, is it?
Oh man. Final touches.
Just a quick top up.
Marking the strap.
Little strap on a scrape paint.
You happy with your new wheelbarrow, Liv?
They're right now, so yeah.
It's got a brake on too.
Has a brake on it.
Yeah.
Leave it where it won't get run into.
Why, this is different.
Yeah. Here I'll rig that. So we have our new VMAC silo installed. What has he been? An hour? Took him absolutely no time at all to get it done. Great job. Very nice, isn't it, Liv? 16-ton split bin, the sight glasses, and in here then door. Quite nice, so it is. And our 2 chutes. Metal filings. What's this one then?
Shut up.
Oh, what does it do?
Empty.
Oh, it's another one.
But it's locked, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, it's bolted to that.
Oh, so you open that and then you can slide that up. And also you may notice on our bin, we have this hole here that was cut out of it and patched up. Originally, the plan was with this meal bin was to have an auger for one of the sides going out the side so that we could put in our balancing ration or our maize meal that we were buying to feed the cattle, and we'd be able to auger it into the diet feeder and not have to bucket it, because we could never blow anything into the shed because it goes everywhere. So we always had to tip on the concrete and then bucket it all into it. That's why we wanted to get a meal bin, and we had it ordered with the chute or the auger, but because we got the great news back from Liffey Mills that we didn't need to feed any, we didn't need to buy any meal, maize meal or balancer, we didn't need it, so we took off it, but the option is still there that if anything changed in the future we could get it added on. And with the auger going to the side there, it means that you have to back in to fill it, and it should be out of the way from anyone running into it. But that's it, 16-ton split bin, fairly straightforward other than that. Grand spec bin. Anything else to say about it?
Great job.
Great job. Yeah, so right, we'll leave it at that. It'll be a while before, so what we'll be using this bin now for, and our wheelbarrow. They sent us a wheelbarrow. So what we're going to use this meal bin for now that, well, we don't really need to put the maize meal or that in it.
In the springtime now for the calves.
Yeah, it's going to hold our calf nuts. We're going to get our calf rations, because we did have, as much as the bags are handy, you pick a bag, you go into your shed, you feed your calves.
Crows are a problem.
We had an awful issue with vermin. The crows were taking the top bags and the rats were taking the bottom bags, and a bit of a nightmare. And then there was an awful lot of waste with the bags, but this is going to solve that. We'll be able to blow in 8 ton of meal aside. We'll be able to have our starter pencils and our normal pencils, our rations, and feed away for the calves. So that's what we'll be using the bin for. It's got to tick that box. It also, from a board B standpoint, it was always a bit of an issue. We don't have, that's our grain storage or meal storage, an open shed, not very vermin proof, and that was always a bit of a sore point with board B. But now we have a meal bin, so that ticks the box for board B. Box ticking, that's what farming is nowadays. But anyways, it's great to have it, looks great. Have to mind the drone flying in the yard, and big thanks to VMAC for popping it down. And they said, yeah, it's a wheelbarrow, so I think Liv will be well pleased with our wheelbarrow. Finish the video. You can leave that in now when you're doing it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. That is it from us. Good luck.